Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Friday afternoon from the media broadcast booth above the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And let me say, the markets, they're about to close out a record trading week. And tax reform appears to be progressing. In other words, it's been a session and a week filled with mostly good news. But now it's time for the great news, because it's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. You know exactly what time it is. It's happy hour in New York City. Now, U.S. stocks, they're trading higher this Friday after Republicans took a step towards achieving tax reform. Now, the Senate approved a $4 trillion budget measure on Thursday by a 51-49 vote. Passing a budget unlocks reconciliation, which does allow the GOP to pass a tax bill with a simple 51-vote majority in the Senate. Hope you're following me. Now, using reconciliation removes the need for winning Democratic support. Now, investors, they have recently seen a higher likelihood of a new tax plan coming from the GOP. This after the House passed another budget bill earlier this month. Rising expectations of lower corporate taxes have helped stocks rise to record highs recently. In fact, the Dow crossing above 23,000 for the first time ever earlier this week. Meanwhile, in corporate news, yes, there is corporate news. JP Morgan Chase hitting an all-time high after jumping more than 1%, and PayPal amongst the best performing stocks in the index, rising nearly 5% after the company reported better than expected results. But Celgene shares taking quite the fall, down more than 9% after the company said it will discontinue trials on a drug aimed at treating Crohn's disease. And when you combine all of this, we take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out not just the session, but this record-setting week as well. And with that stated, kick back, relax, and yes, it's a Friday. I usually talk about sports. Honestly, it's all about tonight here in New York City. The Yankees, the Astros, ALCS, Game 6 in Texas. Let's see what happens. I think New York's going to be in the World Series, to be honest with you. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.